everyone, it's Happy Mail Queen. I'm back to share some mail that I received, and this comes from Pretty Mix Studio. Thank you so much, Natalie. Natalie had messaged me on Instagram and she said she was gonna send some products from her shop, and of course I had to say yes, please do send. So I can't wait to see what's in here. So you can check her out at prettymixstudio.com. So there is her information. That is so pretty, and look at this, what a pretty packaging, and look at that beautiful swan. I love it. I love your little logo here. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and tear through this. Okay, wow, oh my goodness, it is way packed in there. And look at this nice acetate packaging, and it looks like she put a die cut on there, her own her name. It's a die cut, I can tell it's raised. So how sweet is that? So let me go ahead and get this open, because wow, it sure looks like there's a lot in there. Okay. All right, so leave this over there. She gave me some cute pom-poms. Yay! I love tiny pom-poms because I'm always using them up, especially this light pink one. Yay! And then she also sent this dark pink, kind of a coral color. Look at that. Wow. Oh my goodness, how pretty is this? I just love yellow and pink together. It's just so pretty. And then look, some splashes of mint green in there. This is so pretty. They're like sprinkles. I have some sprinkles, but they're not these pretty colors, like this nice mix. So thank you so much for that. How fun. Yay, and look, these are small tiny stars in pink. It's kind of this bubblegum pink. And then look at this gorgeous, like iridescent rainbow color mix. So they're also stars. That is so pretty. Thank you so much. Oh, and look, I love this. I love the little watermelon. How adorable is that? Pink, pink, pink. Everything's pink. I love it. Thank you so much. Ooh, I love these. I love these. I've tried these before. They work great on your pokey tools. I'm not even going to open it, but as you guys can see, the hole is on top. So you can definitely use that on your pokey tools or for dangles, and I absolutely love these. This is a great size. I love both. So thank you so much. All right, and then we have some cabochons. Oh, before I get to that, here's another sequence mix, and look at this beautiful blue. Gorgeous. I love that. Okay, back to the cabochons. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we need to open these. She has them shut. Let's see. I'm trying to see if I can open it. Nope, I think she has one of those machines that closes it. Okay. I will go ahead and show these to you because, oh my goodness, they're clay. They feel so light, you guys. So these are great. They're flat backs. Wow, did you make these? You guys, they're clay. I don't know if she made them, but they're so cute with sprinkles on top. Do you guys see that? How cute. And what you can do is put those clear bales behind it if you want to use it as a charm. But this would be really cute just to put in the center of bows, right? And for your other projects. So how cute is that? Okay, I should probably put it back in here so I don't lose them. But don't worry, I'm gonna I have a system. I'm gonna put these in containers. Look how cute this is. Oh, how pretty. I love this. This is like a nice pink top container, and it houses some gold sequins. They're flat mirror sequins. How pretty are those? Love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, I see more bows. Okay, I think maybe we need to zoom in a little bit more. Let me see if I can, oops, that's zooming out. Let me zoom in, not that far, because for some reason my camera, if I zoom in too much, oh yeah, and that's way too much right there. Okay. Look at these teeny tiny bows, you guys. And these have holes on top, and they're teeny tiny. So I think you're gonna have to use wire. So I'm sure it will fit your what do you call them? I can't talk right now. I'm like mesmerized. Your head pins, or your the ones with the little loop. So super cute. I love the shape of those. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. And you get, look how many you get. It's like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, I don't know, 12 maybe. How pretty are those? And talk about gorgeous. Oh my gosh, these are little teapots. These are so precious. These are the prettiest teapot charms ever. Look at that. You guys know I love my teapots. Yay. Thank you so much, Natalie. And she gives you 5 in this pack. How cute are they? I love them. And then there's this nice big hand mirror. Look how pretty that is in this pretty gold, and I like that gold color. There is, what are these? Okay, let's see. These are tassels, they look like. How pretty are those? Are you guys seeing that? So they're tassels, but it's a chain. And then at the very end, it looks like there's some little star charms. Okay, we're gonna have to open this one too. It's kind of hard to, oh, I hate like messing up her packaging, but I'm gonna have to eventually use these for a project. So look how cute those are. Look at that. I've never seen anything like that. That is so neat. Gorgeous. So yay, can't wait to use that on a project. And then what are these? These are, I think I need my glasses. It's like a little shop, it looks like, right guys? Oh, let me focus. For some reason it doesn't want to focus. It's like a little candy shop, or a bake shop. Maybe a candy shop. How cute is that? Is so cute. It's so tiny. And why is my camera not focusing? I am so sorry. Okay, there's a word there on top, but I'm not wearing my glasses, so I cannot see it. Let me see if I can find my glasses. It's somewhere here. That is adorable though, and she gives you 5 of those little cute charms. And then there's 2 ballerinas. How pretty. And of course it's pink and gold, so perfect for those fun girly projects. And then there's these, and these feel super light, so I'm not sure if they're metal, you know, one of those lightweight aluminum metal, or they could be plastic. But look how cute those are. It's just a different type of bow, and they are pretty big. So here's my thumb. Wow, that is so cute. And you get 2 for $5 in a pack. And I will leave the link in the description box, you guys, to her shop, so you guys can check this out afterwards. And she did give me a coupon code, so I'll put that in my description box. So there's, again, 5, and look at these pretty geo hearts. How pretty is that? I love it. And then here, oh, I gotta open this one too because it's harder to see. And her bag, her packaging is like on point. I mean, this is pretty thick. It's not a cheapy bag, you guys. They're little, gosh, they're like little boba drinks. They actually remind me of this fruity drink. It's like a milk tea, but it has fruits in it. And that's what it reminds me of. My sister kind of got me hooked on that. That milk tea drink. Okay, that is so cute. And then look at these. They are little foxes. Look, Erica, Scrap Diva 29. She loves foxes. So aren't these adorable? These are perfect for your fall Maggie Holmes projects. How fun are those? And then here we have some pumpkin looking carriages. A pumpkin carriage in blue. Look how pretty. So for those fun Disney projects, those of you who love Disney, or just for a baby maybe, or a shower. Look at these. These are the same, except they come in this pretty pink and gold color. Love it. And then this one here, I've never seen these before. Look how cute that is. They're Paintbrush. How pretty is that? Now, wouldn't this go great with the cute and crafty? I think it would, because it's all about like crafty stuff. Oh, I love that. I'm probably gonna make a dangle with that and put it on my cute and crafty. I made a little book, so that's awesome. Oh, more bows. She sent 3 different bows, you guys, and this is a medium-sized bow. So as you can see, look how big this one is. And then there's these teeny tiny small ones. So small, medium, and large. How fun! Thank you so much. And they are a little bit different, but they all have tails on them. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys have to run to her shop. Oh, and you know, oh my gosh, I think I need to run over there too, because she has some Halloween charms. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to tell you because I haven't gotten it yet, and you guys might buy it already before me. Oh my gosh, but definitely use my coupon code. Okay, so these are roses, and these are nice because they're flat. And it's a good size. Look at that. There's my finger there, my nail bed. And then, oh my gosh, look at these avocados. They have cute little pink bows on them. A girl avocado. I've never seen anything like it. Okay, that is so adorable. And they're flat, so they're flat backs. I don't know if they're resin or if they are, they're pretty light though, so they could be clay. But anyway, you can definitely put a bail on the back and use it as a charm. And then these are so pretty. Look, they are, is this ice cream? Yes, I think they are ice cream cones. How pretty. Yay for ice cream. Love these sweet treat type. You guys know I love these kind of charms. And then the last one is, oh, it says handmade. How cute is that? So you can add that to your projects if you're sending them out, if you're selling your projects. You can make some really, really fun dangles and add this to your creations. So how fun is that? Oh my goodness, this is so much, Natalie. Thank you so much. And stay tuned for a project. I'm definitely going to be using these because these are amazing. So check out Pretty Mix Studio. That is Natalie's shop. It's prettymixstudio.com. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.